Okay, here at 88 Goodrich Hill Road, and I'm just about to go inside to do some video tours, but hanging out by the front walkway overlooking the pond. You can see the house is privately set off the road. Lots of bird watching opportunities. And let's go in. So the first floor has a big family room with a wood stove, little eat-in dining here. And it's just off the garage. Here's the two-car oversized garage. So lots of storage, very easy one step inside. And we also have a guest bedroom here with a bath, walk-in shower, wood ceiling, a little bit of storage, utility type sink in this bathroom. Coming back around, closet, still living here, stuff in the closet. And here's the wood stove, which they do use to heat. Otherwise, you do have hot water baseboard. Nice little sunny nook here for, obviously the plants love it. And then mechanical room is tucked behind here. Let me get the light on. And there's the boiler, which has 4 zones. You can see 2 are currently off, the downstairs probably, because they're using wood. But they did have a zone for the hot water, but they just replaced the water heater with an electric tank. So somebody could put a zone for an indirect sidearm. And again, looking over the pond. All right, let's go upstairs.